Hi guys, it's your girl Ifeoluwa. Welcome to today's episode of how to do pedicure for a lady. So today's pedicure is going to include polish. The first thing I do is I put my liquid soap inside water, my sea salt, my foot soak, and antiseptic. Then I file it. When you're doing pedicure for a lady, you don't have to cut their toenails, except if the client asks you to. All you have to do is to just file the nail bed and shape it. Give it a very nice shape. Then you ask them, what shape do you want? Is it square or round? When it comes to beautification, you ask people question so that you not go and do something they will not like. Ask them question. It's not a crime. What shape do you want? Is it round or shape or square? Sorry. Then this is me. I'm still filing. Remember, I always file before I soak. It make it easy. Because the moment you soak it and you bring it out, the nail will become soft. And you may not be able to give it a nice shape anymore. So it's advisable to shape your nails, to shape the nails before you soak your client's leg. See the leg. So see the nail bed. See the nails. I don't even soak it. I just file and shape. Then I use my foot file to file the leg before I put it inside water. Remember this. Because we don't use blade to do pedicure anymore. So these are the process we are using. I don't know. People that are still using blade for pedicure, I don't know about them. I don't know what they are doing. This is what they use now. This is the method we are using. You file the leg with your foot file before you put it inside water at all. Me, I call it prepping. I don't know what other people call it, but I call this process prepping. Prepping process. I'm trying to prep the leg to make it easy for me to do. Then I put my cortical softener. I put my callus. Remember, don't use your hand to pack callus. So don't use your hand to pack callus. Use something to pack it and put it where it's supposed to be. See, I'm not using my hand to pack callus, so don't go and use your hand to pack callus. It's not good for your hand. Even when you are doing manicure, you don't use callus. Yes. Then I soak it for 15 minutes. I bring it out. Then I dab it. Then I take my scraper. Dab it just to remove the excess water, Not too much, just dab. Then I use my scraper to scrape it off. They don't use blade for pedicure again. I don't know what that... They don't use blade. Please, have it at the back of your mind. If you don't know how to do this, learn how to do it. Use your scraper properly. They don't use blade. I even saw someone using razor blade. Not even that scraper that we normally use before. Razor blade to do... No, now. There's no how you use all this process and you not be able to achieve your positive result. See, what do you want to remove with blade that this thing cannot remove? Please, stop using blade for pedicure. As a beginner, don't even make attempt to use blade at all. Learn with this scraper. They call it scraper. What do you want to remove that this thing will not remove? Tell me. It will remove everything. Then I use my cortical remover. Remember this cortical remover? I don't joke with it at all. Because I have to remove everything, like all the dirt on this leg. I have to remove it with my cortical remover. I'm always careful when I'm using it. Remember, pedicure injury doesn't heal fast. So you have to be very, very careful when you're using it. You have to be very, very careful. See. Don't forget the ingrowth. Don't forget to remove it as well. I always remove all the ingrowths because they are part of pedicure. See how I'm removing it. Always be careful. If it's nipper that works for you, stick to it. If you don't know how to use your nipper, learn how to use your cortical remover. Shall know how to use one of the two and know how to use it properly. See where I remove all the ingrowths. This is a lady pedicure, so I don't cut the nails. I just try to clean all the inside of her nails. You see, I beg, they manage my voice over. I beg, I'm still learning. Oh, I'm still learning. I beg, they manage this voice over like that. Big cool. Then I buff it after using my cortical remover. The next thing I do is I buff. I buff with my buffer. Yes, just to smooth the leg. Remember, I've already used my file, so I don't need to use file again. All I do now is to just buff. Then I put my cortical oil. My cortical oil. See our leg now. Then I use my foot file. The buff inside. After using scraper, use your foot file. Do you get? After using scraper, buffer, and cortical remover, I use my foot file. Then I change it to smoothing side. Remember, this foot file is 2-in-1. The smoothing side and the buffing side. So now I'm using the smoothing side. So it's only that smoothing side that I use for our skin. Don't use foot file, the filing side on the skin. No, you will see blood. But this one, I'm using the smoothing side for our skin, just to remove all the dry skin and to give her the proper smoothing leg that she deserves. See. And when you are using it on the skin, gently. Do it gently. It's not something you rush. Do it gently. This smoothing will give you the accurate result that you want. Show you guys. Then I use my scrub. Yes, I use my scrub here. I scrub everything. Like, I make sure that scrub penetrates very well. I scrub it. There's no you do all this process and the leg will not be smooth. The client will come back. There's no how you do all this process and no. It will surely come out nice. Except if you don't put more energy. Remember, pedicure consists of energy. You have to put energy. So except you don't put more energy. Maybe before you start, you try to be eating apple. So you get. Then I wash it off. I wash it out and I use my pedicure brush to brush it. Use my pedicure brush to brush it. Then I change the water. I change the water to a clean one. Then I wash it again. I wash the leg again. Then after washing, I massage it thoroughly. Give it a nice massage. Massage it. That is part of pedicure too. Pedicure with nice massage is the best pedicure ever. Then since I'm doing it with a lady, I have to do the polish. I have to do the polish. See, I'm doing the polish. See, I'm pushing it in. I did not just pack polish and put everything. No, I'm pushing it in. See, I'm pushing it. So that it will not enter that cortical area. See, I'm doing it. See, I'm doing it. I'm pushing it in. I did not just pack polish and drop it. No. Then I remove the excess. Always remove the excess. As I'm doing it, remove the excess. Here you get, so that it will not dry up, because this is regular polish. Normal polish that we use. It's not gel polish. See the result. See the result.